Hey y'all, it's DJ the Diva coming at you with another video. You guys, it's Self-Care Saturday. Yes, ma'am. I just took a mask off my face and that's hot water, you see. I'm just putting it over to make sure I get everything out my pores, everything's steamed out. Okay. And plus, this feels so good because y'all know I've been dealing with my allergies. This feels so good when I do that. Uh, some days cold feels better, others days the warm feels better. So it just depends. I did do my hair. What I did was I rinsed it while I was in the shower. Just a little bit. Just get them roots and stuff a little damp. And I oiled my hair. I sectioned it off. I oiled it with my special blend that I make. And then I just loosely braided to the front. This is what the back is looking like. Ta-da. Ta-da. This is what your girl is looking like. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. But that's as much. I've really been letting my hair alone. I've really been just leaving it alone. Just no manipulation. I've been wearing my protective style, which is my lock knots, and I've been wearing it for months. And I've washed my hair with those knots in. I've washed my hair, rinsed it with it in it, oiled with my hair in it, and I just made sure my roots didn't marry, and I had hair springing forth everywhere. So my 4B, 4C hair, I like to say 4C, 4D hair, that was passed down to me, take special care. I do have drying of the scalp, psoriasis, and I have to pay special attention to my scalp at all times, especially, you can hear the tiredness in my voice, sorry, I just got off of work, especially with my walkouts and I'm sweating a lot. That's just nothing but water and salt. And when it accumulates on the scalp and you already have scalp issues, then it turns into like a calcium deposit on my scalp. So I always have to make sure I'm rinsing well. I've only been washing once a month. Yes, you heard me, once a month. In between time and in the meantime, I do rinse my scalp. I do use my Sea Breeze on a cotton ball, and I go through on my scalp and clean my scalp and re-oil. I've been trying out just using my oils instead of using my oils and my body butter because I want to see what's going to work best for my scalp. I haven't had, since I've been doing this new regimen, I haven't had any scalp issues as of late. So, woo-woo, woo-woo. So, it is good. What my pet peeve about having locks is, let me see, I don't know if you can see any because I was picking out my lint. That's my pet peeve. Picking out my lint, brushing out my lint, making sure my roots aren't marrying is a big thing, because for one thing, I'll never be able to semi-freeform. And let me tell you why. Even though I have the nabbiest of hair, honey, my hair grows away from the lock. It doesn't grow in. So, in saying that, let me find a piece. Where is it? Like this one. Doesn't grow in a lock. It'll grow away, but it'll grow and marry something else over here at the root. But it won't, the hair won't grow into the lock. So no semi-free-forming for me, but I am more than happy to do protective styling and leave my hair alone and let it flourish and grow. So yeah, let me give you guys one more view in the back, because I've been hoping I've been getting all the lint out. You guys see that? Been hoping that I've been getting all the lint out. My edges are starting to come back in, y'all. So my oils are working. See that? Edges, and this is where I had the skin cancer. And my edges are coming back. They're coming back. Yay. Yay. Okay. Yay. Can somebody say hallelujah? All right, you guys, that's all I wanted to share with you. Was my self-care Saturday and my lock hair regimen that I always do on my Saturdays. So yeah, rinse the scalp and oiled it, separated anything that was trying to marry. I picked my lint, brushed my locks, and they're looking really, really healthy, you guys. Can y'all see? My ends are moisturized. Those protective styles are, ooh, really working for me. Some of the lint I'm just going to leave in there because I'm not going to damage. I usually go in with tweezers. I'm not going to damage my hair to get a piece of lint. Nor am I going to dye it. I know somebody told me before to dye my hair in order to instead of picking the lint out my hair, to just dye it and it becomes the same color as your hair. However, I don't like to dye my hair. And my hair doesn't dye very well. And I'll be sitting here picking all day, y'all. My hair doesn't dye well. I got the blackest of blackety black hair, and it doesn't like to change colors. So after years of trying different dyes, even hairdresser, my hair does not like color. It just wants to be a blackety black, and I'm okay with that. I love my black hair. It is really jet black, or I'll say blue black. It is the blackest that hair comes. I have a lot of people, like at salons and stuff, they'll ask me, do I color my hair? No, it's growing from my scalp. My hair's always been that black. I've always had those comments since a little girl. So, in saying that, you guys, please smash that like and subscribe button. Share my videos with your friends, family, and your followers, your subscribers. Give me a thumbs up for encouragement and motivation. Drop me a comment so I know you were here and I can give you a personal shout out. Yeah, and if you have any comments or suggestions for my locks, drop it down in the comment section below. I love you guys to life. I need you to act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, live blessed. And be a blessing to who? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. This is Teacher the Diva with Loc update in lock maintenance. I just celebrated my 6-year lock anniversary on the 24th, June 24th. So yay me. I love you to life. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.